these guys?
These are family.
Okay. Where are you guys coming from?
Benson?
Oh, okay, cool.
Benson? Yeah. Bowie.
How do you know their names or?
I don't.
Nice.
I mean,
here's the deal. I contacted Border Patrol because I want to verify who these people are. They have no ID on them. And we get this a lot. This is what I do every day. I run into people out here all the time that are transporting, people from the border up north to Phoenix. So it's nothing new. Where'd you pick them up at?
Bowie.
Bowie?
Yeah.
I mean, that's close enough.
Oh, no.
Yeah. Okay. You don't know who they are.
I don't.
They don't know. They don't have any ID on them. You know what I mean? It's pretty typical. One female, 2 male adults, and then a 15-year-old unaccompanied. Really? Yep. Doesn't know anyone in there. One of the passengers was a 15-year-old unaccompanied minor, and so he was basically traveling with no one that he's related to. The female had already been contacted by Border Patrol once and been deported, and one of the males in the back had already been deported once by Border Patrol. Today, though, we were lucky. No one fled from us today, so it's been a good day. Do you know who these people are in the car? I'm assuming you don't?
No.
Okay, cool. Hold tight real quick. How many people you got?
Not so sure.
Okay, cool. So how much you getting paid?
I'm not getting paid.
Be honest, man.
No,
you are.
I'm not getting paid for.
Why not?
I'm not capping. I don't know.
Well, if you're not getting paid, you should be getting like $1,000 a person.
Well, I don't know.
Come on now.
No, I'm being dead ass, dude. I'm being honest.
Where'd you pick them up at?
Huh?
Where'd you pick them up at?
I didn't pick them up. I just picked the vehicle up.
Oh, where at?
Somewhere in Tucson.
It's already loaded, huh?
Yeah.
You're not getting paid, you're getting ripped off.
Yeah.
I'm not saying you should go out and do this, but most drivers are getting like $1,000. So you got 10 people in there. That's 10 grand. So you're making 10 grand for somebody.
Apparently.
After Border Patrol arrived and they were processing the people in the van, the driver and the front seat passenger decided to run. And so Border Patrol chased after them, and we assisted them, and we were able to get both of them into custody, and they were turned over to Border Patrol. There was 2 of us that were pretty close to them. We had a couple of vehicles coming too, so they wouldn't have got very far. So yeah, that's that. They were turned over to Border Patrol, and we'll go out for the next one. The passenger in the minivan that we stopped earlier, this is his brother right here. And they were parked behind us a couple hundred yards during the stop. And then after the driver and the passenger from the van took off running, then these guys pulled up here and DPS stopped them right here. They have the same address. These guys are part of the group. They're more of like a scout car. What's up, boys? You escorting your friends back there? Following your friends? Don't worry about it, man. Side of the public road. I know you guys are following those dudes. It's all good.
Wait, what happened?
Your little friends that were running from us. Well, just know that don't be hauling bodies. Okay? Don't be hauling people up from the border. Okay? And if you are, and we stop you, don't run. Don't take off in a pursuit, because that's when it gets real bad. Okay? I'm just giving you advice, man. If you flee, we will get you, and then you will go to jail.
Well, we don't know about that.
Yeah, whatever. It's all good, man. You better tighten your shoelaces if you decide to run, though.
catch me though?
I'll catch you. 100%. 100%. 100%. You gotta remember, I'm already warmed up. I just chased after his brother. So I'm warm, man.
Yeah?
Yeah. No. You can run all you want, I'll still catch you. See, I'm just gonna let you run your ass off, and then I'm gonna come tackle your ass.
Can you tackle me though?
Yeah.
Okay, no problem.
I don't care. When the 2 turds took off running, these guys pulled out, and DPS was watching them.
Really?
And so they pulled out, and he stopped them. The driver is either the cousin or the brother of the front seat passenger. Who's in there? Buenos dias. You can stay there. It was not that big of a deal until I knew I could see someone in the back in the cargo area, so I kind of figured they were trying to hide him or conceal him. The driver, who is a 16-year-old driver from, he was born in the U.S., but he lives in Mexico. He said he's being paid $800 to haul per head, per person, to haul him to Phoenix. And that's a lot of money for, you know, a young kid, 16-year-old. You know, he's going to get paid $3,200 for a couple hours worth of work. So this is pretty much a typical day lately. Last couple weeks, it's really picked up. But so this is our third. This is actually my fourth stop with that I've had to call Border Patrol on in the last 24 hours. So in 2 shifts. It's pretty typical.